Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be learning 10 advanced English words used in daily conversation. Leisure, meaning free time. For example, he read books at his leisure. Tender, meaning soft, delicate or fragile. Example, his arm felt tender. Gratitude, meaning thankfulness or appreciation. For example, I would like to express my gratitude to everyone for their support. Craving, meaning powerful desire for something. Example, I have a craving for chocolate. Bliss, meaning joy or pleasure. For example, swimming on a hot day is sheer bliss. Wanderlust, meaning a strong desire to travel. His wanderlust would not allow him to stay long in one spot. Enchantment, which means a feeling of great pleasure or delight. Example, when I first got here, I was under a double spell of enchantment. Serene, which means calm or peaceful. And for example, the child's face was serene and beautiful. Pursuit, and it means chasing or stalking. And for example, she traveled the world in pursuit of her dreams. Staycation, it means a holiday that you take at home or near your home rather than traveling to another place. For example, it is easy to have a staycation in a place like New York City. Thank you for watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe.